Punchuation. Use of full stop.
1. It represents the greatest pause and separation.
For example, he is my enemy. Don't walk barefooted.
2. It is also used in abbreviations. For example, BA, UNO, IMF, TV, etc.
Use of comma.
1. It represents the shortest pause and is used to separate series of words in the same construction.
For example, we shall visit London, Paris, California, and Amsterdam.
2. After a nominative absolute.
For example, my child, attend to my words.
3. After many connecting words.
For example, of course, indeed, in fact, at last, no doubt, such as, etc. Use of colon.
1. It is used to introduce a list.
For example, kindly supply these articles: bread, butter, cheese, and sugar.
2. To introduce an illustration.
For example, here we study these subjects: English, chemistry, physics, and English. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.